We're going to take a look at an obstructed balcony on deck 6 on Ovation of the Seas. So let's get right to that view, and then we'll tour the rest of the room. We booked a balcony guarantee and also had strong bids in for a room upgrade. We didn't get the upgrades. We ended up staying in an obstructed balcony stateroom. It's nice to sit out on the balcony with coffee or a glass of wine and enjoy the view. And I also like to take photos and time lapses on the balcony, so this doesn't work at all for me. Here's a look from the outside. You can see the tender boats right in front of the balconies on deck 6. They have some unobstructed balconies at the front, so those would be fine. Now let's take a tour of our stateroom. So first thing you see is the temperature, and they've already got a key card in here for the electricity, so that's convenient, and that's the light switch for the rooms. And then over here you can use this to say do not disturb. Got a full-length mirror. Let's look at the bathroom. It's a step up. And there's the shower. It's a little small, but it's big enough for us. So they have a combined hair and body wash, but we brought our own shampoo and conditioner because we knew that. And there's the shower. There's some shelves to put some of your things. It's a small sink, and there's some space to put things. Now let's check the storage. Here's one of the closets. It has two pretty large closets that you could hang long things. You could also put bags down below. Here's a couch, and I think it comes out to a bed. It's pretty large. It's a nice spacious room actually. And here's the other storage area. There's another closet, and the safe is in there, and there's some drawers down below. So it has a good amount of storage. And we brought our own hooks because the walls are metal, and it's good to bring a lanyard for your key card. On this side of the room there's a desk and all the power switches. We've got two North American, we've got two USB and one international. This is like a little desk chair, and a little trash can down below. And over here they have tea kettles in the room, so you can boil water if you like tea or hot chocolate. And they have a refrigerator in here. And we've got drawer space here for all your clothes. And a nice flat screen television. Here's the bed. You can have it separated or put together. Each side has a little end table with shelves and little reading lights. They have some cabinets up above. There's one plug. If you have a CPAP or something, that's pretty convenient that you don't need a power strip or an extension cord, because they're not allowed on these ships anymore. It's a pretty spacious room. So we were stuck with an obstructed view on deck 6. The view is pretty bad. If you were on deck 7, it would be a lot better. In the future, I would not book a balcony guarantee. I'd pay a little extra to choose my room on a higher deck. So I definitely prefer an ocean view or just upgrade to a standard balcony. Thanks for watching Taste for Travel, and please subscribe to see all our latest travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!